Hi friends, Running Kimono here. So in today's video, we are talking about how to coupon at Walgreens. I am recording this video in November of 2025, going through basic rules, the basics, if you are new to this, how to start navigating the store and saving big money. Okay, so like anything, you have to kind of be a palm tree. You have to be flexible. When you go to the store couponing, it might not always go your way. A can-do attitude really goes a long way. And when somebody's showing different deals and stuff, you really have to listen and pay attention. That's critical. And also be super nice to the employees at the store. Makes a huge difference. Now, you need an account to participate, so you have to go to the App Store, download the Walgreens app with a working cell phone number and email, and you are in business, and you can start loading boosters and digital coupons. It is that easy. Once you've clipped your coupons, you just press that little plus sign in the bottom see where it says saved offers. If you press that, it will show all of your coupons. And if you still can't get it to show, just add the item to a digital basket and it'll probably show that it's taking $1 or $2 off. The top one, see how it says My Walgreens coupon? That's a store coupon. And the one down below with the L'Oreal Paris is a manufacturer because it says manufacturer coupon on it. If both of these coupons are for the same item, they will in fact stack, which is really, really nice. And you can use these both in store and curbside, which is online. Alternatively, a couple times out of the month at your store, if you have a beauty counter, sometimes these show up. And with those other two, you can sometimes get a triple stack with this one. It's happened, but not all stores carry this, so it makes it somewhat confusing. Now, just to explain this, the deals at Walgreens run from Sunday to Saturday. Sunday is the new ad, and it runs right till the following Saturday. And you can usually load the new digital coupons for the deals starting on Sunday morning. And on this channel, we cover both curbside and in-store deals. Types of rewards that you can be issued at Walgreens. The top one with the blue border is your Walgreens cash, which is really fantastic. You often earn that with boosters. And the one below is the register rewards. So both of these absolutely fantastic, and we'll talk about how to spend them and how to earn them in a quick second. So these boosters is how you typically earn your Walgreens cash. The top one is a paper booster that comes from the Catalina machine. The one below is a digital booster that shows up in your account, usually on Wednesday mornings, and you can use them for the following Sunday deal. They're both of a one-time use. And that top one, if you don't ever get digital booster, sometimes they will print for you at store. So it's always very critical that you put in your phone number for any transaction in case it might print for you. These two do in fact stack, so that's also fantastic to get $14 on a $40 transaction. That's terrific. And for the balance, never use Walgreens cash because sometimes it will monkey this up. And if you call customer service and say, it's not working, they'll be the first to say, oh, you used Walgreens cash, we're not going to credit you. So I recommend, encourage, however you want to say it, not to use Walgreens cash whenever you're using both of these, because it probably won't regenerate for you. They're a casino that does not like to lose. And this is your Catalina machine. Make sure that the green light is on. Ask the cashier, listen that it's printing. And this is where boosters will print for you along with your register rewards. Absolutely critical that this thing is working if you are out there couponing. The two different types of register rewards that you possibly can earn. This is a rarer one. It's called a store coupon. Treat it as Walgreens cash. Don't use it in a booster deal because it would be like using $10 of Walgreens cash on a basket and it would lessen the value of your basket. So it's very tricky. Just use it on its own. But this one, which is a manufacturer coupon, you can use technically with the boosters. And I know that's super uber confusing, but that first one, the store coupon, we don't really get it a lot. But these ones are perfectly fine to use in a booster deal to get a lesser out of pocket. So it's always really important that that machine is on, and the more pleasant you are, the cashiers will just be so nice to you and say, yes, it's working. Yes, it's printing. Let's get real for a second. A lot of Walgreens shoppers love clearance, and I don't blame them. I love clearance too. Typically, when these orange tags start hanging, it's Tuesdays or Saturdays, depending what your clearance schedule is. Some stores, if they're not busy, might hang them every single day, but that's typically when I see them hung a lot in different categories. And if you have a lot of Walgreens cash or register rewards, when the clearance for summer, the holidays, whatever happens, we're always talking about when to get out there and make these 80% hauls happen. But a lot of us with $50 of Walgreens cash are walking out with 2 full carts, and that is the beauty and joy of couponing over at Walgreens when you can get this stuff on the cheap. Alternatively, if you're a super practical couponer, with your Walgreens cash or register rewards, you can accrue a lot of paper on a sales week or possibly when it's on clearance. And the beauty also of digital coupons is when you can get items completely for free. And when I can line those up perfectly, we're sharing these on this channel. So don't forget to subscribe and like this video for freebies every week. Maximum amount of savings, I also encourage you to sign up with these following 2 apps that include Fetch Rewards and IBOTTA. I have referral links in the notes if you want to sign up for my team. I think you're given an extra couple of bucks when you sign up and submit your first qualifying receipt. But often we pair these weekly deals over at Walgreens with these to get even, bigger savings or possible freebies. That's it for this video. Happy savings. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.